All right, this is Jamboree Swing on the Bells. I'm just going to play a snippet of it for you. So I'll start at measure 16 and I'll stop at 29. Careful in your key signature, you have 4 flats, E flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. So all of those will be played on the top row of the bells. You can't see my bells, but the flats will be on the top row. Okay, so make sure D flat is the one that can kind of throw people off. So a measure 16, you start on beat 4. So you have 1 mallet on C and 1 on D flat. Okay, so you start on beat 4. So I'll give you 1, 2, 3, and then start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Next line. Now we're at 21, and that C, it's tied. There's 2 C's right there, and they are tied to one another. So that means you add them together. So 2 beats is a half note, plus 1/8 note, which is a half of a beat. So 2 plus 1/2 is 2.5. So you're going to count 1, 2. That C starts the beginning of beat 3. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So you play the B flat on the and of 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 4. Okay, so let's try that at 21. So let me play that for you really quick so you can hear how it sounds. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you play on the and of 3 a lot in this song. So here we go at 21. So count to 3, and right after 3, the and of 3, you start playing your next note. 21, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4. Whoop. And right there, that is one part that I made a mistake on. That should be D flat. So that last measure at 24 there. Okay, we're not very used to playing D flats, neither am I. So 1 and 2 and is what that should sound like. So let's start at 21 again, and we'll go all the way to 29 this time. 1, 2, 21, and go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. D flat. Okay, and that's stopping right before 29. Remember that this symbol right here is a natural sign, which cancels out the flat. So you have B flat right there. And then the next one, they cancel out to be B natural. Okay, so you do have a lot of the repeated parts in this song where it's like either the same notes or the same rhythm with different notes. So just practice it slowly. I think YouTube will allow you to slow it down if you need to. Okay, so that's Jamboree Swing on the Bells.